Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download CapCut for PC. So lately in my channel, there are so many of you asking how do I get this CapCut or for PC version because it has a English language in it, because maybe some of you only has like Chinese language in it or Mandarin. So here I'm gonna show you how you can get this version of CapCut. So I actually download the CapCut from the Microsoft Store on my laptop. So here you can, if you guys use the Windows laptop, you can just go to Start and then find Microsoft Store. Okay, so just wait until it launches. Okay, so now the CapCut, sorry, the Microsoft Store has been launched, and if you want to search for CapCut, you just can easily search it in here at the search column. Just type in CapCut, and the apps will be appear, and just click on the apps. And then here, if you want to install or download it to your laptop, you can just click on install, and after that this version of CapCut will be installed to your laptop or computer. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye guys.